working on some block ups for one of the sites from yesterday, just so brickies aren't waiting for too long. On my first site for the day, what I do now is I go and have a quick chit chat with the black hat. All of our jobs are on the schedule, but 9 times out of 10 it's changed by the time we get to site. I also need to go and sign in, so I'll go and do that first. Good. Plot for block ups, little nails in the foundation. Need to check the height of this wall, where it's coming off that rendered house there and dropping down. It's coming in front of us, tying into this garage here, and then continuing out that way and around. So we're going to survey that. For that high bit of wall, I'll get some reflectorless shots, and then for anything I can stand on, I'll use my pogo, and then we'll load it into the computer and see what it's saying. What I'm doing now is I'm looking for an area where I can set my instrument up. It's going to be here. It means I can see pretty much everything I need to see. Setting it up is going to be a bit tricky because we don't have much control anymore, seeing as we're in back gardens of plots, but I can definitely see one, which will give me a level over there on the electricity post. So I'm just setting the instrument up. First we need to just level it all up, and we're going to calibrate it. Takes a little while. You might want to time lapse this, James. So next job is to mark out some road crossings from the entrance down there, all the way up this road, around the corner where that sweeper is coming down. Because the line of sight is not great, the accuracy doesn't need to be precise. I'm going to use the GPS. So we're going to load that up now and then start marking out the road crossings. Put the site calibration on, and it's connected to the Kemp Exeter base station. First thing we're going to do is going to go and find a station just to use as a control point to check to see if the GPS is within tolerance. Road crossings are normally modelled for the machines. Instead of creating a new set of data, I'm going to load up the model and just stake out the DXF. So that's what I've done. I've highlighted the line that I'm looking for, and hopefully it will take me to the right place. So the road crossing should be somewhere around here. So I'm going to spray that up, and it looks something like this. So I'm going to carry on, and I'm going to do that all the way up the main road. It's break time. And my normal go-to is the mighty Lidl. Right, so we put some pins in for this private driveway. Radiuses are done. Haven't put levels on every pin because these boys are going to have to eye in and tweak a bit. We've only put a few levels in important locations on, and they're going to make it work. So I'm going to pack up before my machine gets knocked over, and then on to the next thing. Right, we're on our way back into 1314 to do that private courtyard. We've got some pins in this side here, some levels on, so that's going to tie into this existing tarmac. Haven't put pins on the far side because they've got to dig that part out to put some services in. So because this is road, it's going to be tarmac, it needs to be pretty accurate in terms of height. Yeah, you need to use total station for this. Get my kit out. Some spray. It's a nice new blue one. and a helmet. Logger staff. Right, we've come down to Alphington, Matford Valley. Wasn't on a schedule, so it's a bit of an impromptu visit, but they need some box culverts setting out, which I think is somewhere near all those seagulls. It doesn't need to be particularly accurate. So again, it's going to be a job for the GPS. It's just a lot quicker, easier to celebrate out the position of the box culvert. There's one just behind this header wall here. And yeah, I mean, eventually this water is going to be diverted through this box culvert and over to the stream down there, which you can't see, but there is a stream down there somewhere. Right, got to go back to parcel 30 and 14 to pin out a private driveway. So I'm making my way over there now. So next job, bit of block work to go on this foundation. A couple of tasting points to put in down there, and a couple of nails to check over on that floor over there. So I've loaded up the information I need for this box culvert. So yeah, we're going to stake this out now. Well, actually, I think this might be what the box culvert's for. That's it for site work today. I shall probably make my way home. I'll either do my admin tonight or relatively early in the morning like I did this morning. So that is kind of a standard day for me.